What's going on, everybody? We're back here working on the skiff. I'm getting ready to do some transom work. I got the rod holders taken off already, and this is what I'm getting ready to put on. Push-pull platform. Bought it off somebody from Facebook Marketplace. Got a good deal on it. I started sanding it down when I first bought it. The problem is where it lines up on my transom, it extends that little area right there. Weird design. Stay tuned to see how I do it. Eugene just chased an iguana in. He's over there on the wall. There's the iguana. Eugene, over there. Alright, so we got the mini jack plate off. Time to do some sanding. Alright, got her sanded down for the most part. Got the bulk of it done. So I got the wood cut out. So I've got both boards mounted in place. I sanded them down nicely. I got the rest of the transom sanded down. So now I'm going to take the boards off. I'm going to epoxy the board. Alright, so I got the boards epoxied. I got a hot coat of epoxy on the transom. Getting ready to do the first layer of glass. Getting everything mixed up here. Kind of a lot going on. Beautiful day out here today, though. So now the final sheet of glass will wrap the whole transom. Come around the side about 3 to 4 inches. Alright, so everything's set up pretty good. Pretty happy with how it came out. This is the real project. Sanding this down and repainting this. I've got more time sanding this already than the whole time of doing the transom. Alright, so I got the back sanded down. We're looking all nice and pretty. So now I have to fill in these gaps right here with some putty, which I will just make out of epoxy, some chopped up fiberglass. And then I'll be ready to lay my final sheet. There we go. So I didn't do it as I originally intended I was going to do it, but I did 2 separate sheets just to make it easier on myself. So now I'll have to do 1 additional sheet on each corner again, maybe 1 in the middle, and then she'll be ready. I ran out of hardener though, of epoxy, so time to go buy more stuff. That's what BOAT stands for. Bust out another 1,000. I got the extra hardener that I needed, some sealant, 3M, stuff to paint the push-pull platform and the mini jack plate, which right now I'm giving a little sand up because the corrosion had started to eat away at it. When I first bought this thing, I didn't do anything to protect it. So now I'm going to sand it up, get all this crap off here, and then paint it up. This will match the push-pull platform, which would also match the color of my motor. Nice shiny black. Mercury Phantom black, to be exact. Alright, so I've started to sand out the transom for the new piece of glass I'm laying. I had to notch out the corner right here a little bit so I could access where it was cracking, where the weak spot was. Did it on both sides. Time for some more sanding. I didn't get it very level. I got it level on this side. But the final sheet of glass is laid. Got the corners laid up in there. Then I'll be able to sand it out and make it look all pretty. I've been kind of sanding this down a little bit too. Working on this slowly. Just got the mini jacker painted up. Got the first coat on there. Looking good. Transom is completely set now. It is extremely solid. Just need to sand it down and paint it now. So I got the polling platform all sanded down. She's ready for paint. I got the transom sanded down, ready for paint. And wouldn't you know it, here comes some rain. There's an absolute wall of water right there. Oh my gosh. Ah! Alright, so I got the push-pull platform here. I got it sanded down pretty good. There's a couple little pieces of paint left, but nothing I'm really worried about. It's finally the day. It's time to paint the push platform. It's time to paint the back of the boat. And then time for everything to get mounted. Motor back on, push-pull platform on, rod holders on. It's time. Now I just got the push-pull platform clamped on to pre-drill the holes. I'm going to do one more layer of epoxy to help seal the holes. I have to finish painting the push platform. This is kind of what it's going to look like. So stoked. I think it's going to be sweet. Got the first coat on there. Alright, about to paint the back of the boat here. Trusty Rust-Oleum. That's good stuff right here. You would never know. I put a polyurethane coat over the top, but it does pretty well. The time has arrived. It's time to put the push-pull platform on. We got the motor mounted last night. We got her painted up. I still have to do the bottom paint, but check that thing out. Nice. This thing came out really nice. Very happy with how this came out. came out pretty good. Still got to do some bottom paint, but we're about to put it in the water and test it out. I'm so excited. Weeks of hard work on this. Actually, months. Put a lot of work into this little boat right here. And it's already caught me a lot of fish. We're in, baby. I mean, I just gotta get up here right away. Oh, yeah. Unreal. I'm so high up here. This is crazy. I could see everything. This is awesome. All right, let me jump down and grab the pole.